There are some gardening tools out there that most people don't even know exist. In this video, we're looking at 33 unique gardening tools, sorted from advanced smart gadgets to simple but clever hand tools that actually make your work easier. Each one solves a real gardening problem, whether it's weeding, watering, planting, or pruning. Let's start from number 33 and work our way down to the most surprising one on the list. At number 33, we have the Garden Weasel Claw Pro, a twisting cultivator designed to loosen compacted soil without bending over. You simply twist it into the ground and its 4 sharp tines break up the soil perfectly for planting or aeration. It's lightweight, durable, and great for people who want to save their back while prepping garden beds. At number 32, the Radius Garden Root Slayer looks like an aggressive shovel, and that's exactly what it is, a root-cutting beast. Its serrated edges can slice through tough roots, clay, or buried debris that normal shovels can't handle. It's ideal for planting trees, digging trenches, or reclaiming overgrown areas. At number 31, we've got the Hori knife, a Japanese gardening blade that does everything from cutting to digging. It has a concave blade for scooping, a serrated edge for slashing through roots, and depth markings for planting bulbs. Once you use it, you'll realize it can replace half your small garden tools. At number 30, the CobraHead weeder and cultivator earns its name with a curved steel blade shaped like a cobra's head. It's designed to dig deep and pull weeds from tight spaces with precision. Whether you're working in flower beds or vegetable rows, it's perfect for loosening soil or uprooting stubborn weeds. At number 29, the Niwaki weeding sickle, also from Japan, acts like a mini scythe. It's perfect for slicing through grass, thick weeds, or roots close to the ground. The sharp stainless steel blade gives you clean control around borders or raised beds without disturbing nearby plants. At number 28, the Sneeboer hand fork, hand-forged in the Netherlands, is built for durability and control. This isn't a cheap garden fork. It's a precision tool for loosening compacted soil, aerating roots, and gently lifting plants. Gardeners who value craftsmanship love this one. At number 27, the Wolf-Garten Interlocken tool system might be the smartest garden setup ever. You get one handle that connects to dozens of tool heads, rakes, hoes, cultivators, and more. It saves space, reduces clutter, and gives you professional-grade quality in one organized set. At number 26, the Burgon & Ball razor hose slices through soil like butter. The sharp stainless steel blade makes light work of weeds and compacted dirt, perfect for shaping beds or cleaning up borders. It's simple, strong, and made by one of England's oldest toolmakers. At number 25, we have the Fiskars AxeViz Weeder, a precision stand-up weeder with claws that grab deep-rooted weeds like dandelions. Just press, pull, and pop the weed right out. It's a clean, ergonomic way to weed without chemicals or bending down. At number 24, the Niwaki pruning shears are Japanese-made and known for their razor-sharp carbon steel blades. They cut cleaner than typical pruners, which helps plants heal faster and prevent stem damage. These are a favorite among professional landscapers. At number 23, the Gardena AquaRoll hose trolley takes hose management to another level. It's a wheeled cart that keeps your garden hose neatly wound, prevents tangles, and has a stable frame that won't tip over. It's one of those things you never thought you needed until you use it. At number 22, the Bosch EasyGrassCut 23 is a lightweight electric grass trimmer that's perfect for small gardens. It handles edges, corners, and around planters easily. It's quiet, efficient, and much easier to control than heavier gas trimmers. At number 21, the Darlac Telescopic Hedge Shears are a back saver. The handles extend for cutting tall hedges or wide bushes, giving you better reach and leverage. Plus, the blades are coated for smoother cutting and rust resistance. At number 20, the DeWit Rockin' Root Trowel stands out because of its curved blade that powers through compacted soil and roots. It's made in Holland from forged boron steel and feels like a mix between a knife and a mini spade. At number 19, the Barebones Hori Classic takes the Japanese knife concept and upgrades it with a walnut handle and durable blade. It even comes with a leather sheath and built-in bottle opener for garden breaks. At number 18, the Fiskars Power Gear 2 Lopper uses a geared mechanism that triples your cutting power. You can trim thick branches without much effort, and the handles are designed to reduce hand strain, perfect for pruning fruit trees. At number 17, the Gardena Handy Soil Moisture Sensor gives you a real-time reading of how wet your soil is. It helps prevent overwatering and saves water, especially in container or raised bed gardens. At number 16, the AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden lets you grow herbs and greens indoors using hydroponics. It's compact, automatic, and even tells you when to add water or nutrients. perfect for winter gardening or small apartments. At number 15, the Hoselink retractable hose reel rewinds automatically and locks at any length you pull. No more tangles or messy hoses lying around the yard. It's a neat, time-saving upgrade every gardener appreciates. At number 14, the Garden Genie gloves are gloves with built-in plastic claws. They protect your hands while letting you dig, rake, or plant directly without tools. Great for quick garden tasks. At number 13, the Fiskars and micro-tip pruning snips are tiny but incredibly sharp, ideal for trimming herbs, flowers, or delicate stems. They give you surgical precision, especially for indoor or container gardens. At number 12, the Worx AeroCart 8-in-1 wheelbarrow is not just a wheelbarrow. It converts into a dolly, plant mover, or trailer puller. It's compact yet strong enough to carry bags of soil or large pots with ease. At number 11, the DeWit cordless hedge trimmer makes hedge trimming quiet, cordless, and mess-free. It runs on the same battery as other DeWit tools, which makes it perfect for those already using their ecosystem. At number 10, the Gardena ClickUp garden decor system is a modular setup that lets you attach different garden features like bird feeders, torch lights, or planters to one base pole. It's stylish, practical, and changes with the seasons. At number 9, the Oasis self-watering planter has a built-in water reservoir that keeps your plants hydrated for weeks. It's perfect for busy gardeners or people who forget to water regularly. At number 8, the Greenworks cordless cultivator handles soil preparation automatically. It's battery-powered, compact, and breaks up soil for planting without the strain of a manual tiller. At number 7, the Rachio Smart Sprinkler Controller connects to Wi-Fi and adjusts your watering schedule based on weather forecasts. It saves water and keeps lawns healthier. Real smart home gardening tech. At number 6, the Worx Landroid robotic lawnmower mows your lawn automatically, avoiding obstacles and returning to charge when needed. It's like a Roomba for your yard, saving you hours every week. At number 5, the Gardena Sileno Minimo robotic mower is another automated mower, but designed for smaller yards. It's whisper quiet and fully programmable from your phone. Great for suburban gardens. At number 4, the PlantSense soil sensor connects to your smartphone and tells you exactly what your soil needs: moisture, sunlight, and nutrients, so you can adjust watering or fertilizer with data, not guesswork. At number 3, the Bosch EasyPrune cordless secateurs are battery-powered pruning shears that give you an electric boost when cutting thicker branches. It's a modern twist on an old essential. At number 2, the Gardena AquaBloom solar watering set waters your plants automatically using solar power. Perfect for balcony or container gardens. It doesn't need a tap or outlet, just sunlight and water storage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Turtle weeding robot, created by one of the Roomba inventors. It patrols your garden daily, identifying and trimming weeds automatically. It's solar-powered, rain-resistant, and perfect for anyone who hates constant weeding. And there you have it, 33 gardening tools you probably never knew existed, but now you'll definitely want to try. From robotic mowers to clever hand tools, each one makes gardening more efficient, modern, and just plain fun. If you found something new today, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got even more practical, real-world gardening finds coming up.